Yeah, so hello again. On this episode, I'm just gonna pursue and I'm gonna weigh and show you the difference between the tattoo machine I have made and a regular coil machine. Just watch and learn. Alright, so I'm gonna start with this one. How much does it say, guys? 237 grams. Alright, see it? 237 grams. This one? Ooh, 167. And this one? Ooh, 167. You see the difference this would make? And not only that, this thing vibrates like crazy. So imagine this on your arm. The whole arm feels it. You understand what I mean? This one has reverb too, but way less, way less. Okay, it does. If the motor was smaller, like the best thing to do this with would be a smaller motor, like a prison style motor. That would be the best, like something like that. So, but the way this is and this is, it totally balances everything. You understand what I mean? You need it to balance it. And look at how much, like from the point of attachment, how different it is. You see? So you see, this is bigger like this and this is bigger like that. But the point is, this is 168, this is 238. Understand what I mean? So, this is how it goes. Alright. Oops. This is 238 grams. This is 167 grams. 167 grams. 167 grams. All right. So choose. Thanks for watching.